Imagine you are not just a student, you are a real scientist, helping to understand one of the biggest challenges on Earth, global warming. In the VoyagerScience Global Warming CO₂ project, you and students around the world work together to collect real data about carbon dioxide, CO₂, a gas that traps heat in our atmosphere and helps drive climate change. Scientists have already observed that Earth's temperature has risen over time. This has been especially true in recent decades. And studying CO₂ is one of the best ways to understand why. Your mission begins with tools like PASCO CO₂ sensors, which can measure how much carbon dioxide is in the air around you. These sensors give instant real-world data, allowing you to see how CO₂ changes in different places, like inside a classroom, outside near plants, or even in busy areas with lots of people. The sensors can send data wirelessly to a computer or tablet, helping you track patterns and trends as they happen. Suddenly, something invisible becomes something you can actually observe and understand. But this project is more than just collecting numbers. It's about asking questions. Why might CO₂ levels be higher in one place than another? How do human activities like driving cars or being in crowded spaces affect the air? As part of the VoyagerScience community, you upload your data and compare it with students from different regions. Together, you build a bigger picture of how carbon dioxide behaves across the planet, turning your classroom into part of a global research team. By the end of the project, you are not just learning about global warming, you are investigating it. You are using real tools, collecting real data, and thinking like a scientist. And the coolest part? Your discoveries help you understand how small changes in CO₂ can connect to big changes on Earth. You're not just studying the world, you're helping to protect it.